Hi guys, we're gonna be unboxing this, and also I unboxed it on another channel. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you the channel; it's a secret. Wow! Oh my gosh, it's coming out. Oh my gosh, what is this for? I might need. I got it out. Yay! Okay. Oh. Did you just? I hope nobody saw that. Wow. Okay, what's this? And it's like a little keychain. Oh, look at that. Okay. There's some tape. Thank goodness I haven't got tape in about 7 days. Oh, oh, a little note. Wait, what's that green? Oh, it's a notebook. I think this is for my. What the? Okay, I guess this is gonna be my diary after all. My diary. Do you like it? It's my little bookie. Now let's put it together. Put the translation. Boom! And this is also for my Mongolian for birthday. Don't care about this. My little boy drink it, but do you like it? Wait, is that Hello Kitty? Wait, look, is that literally Hello Kitty right there? Oh, hello. I hope that's literally not. Is there anything below this? Let's see. Oh, great, nothing. Thank goodness. Now I can keep everything secure in this. Or maybe I might just Okay. Everything is secured. So let's put this on. There's no space.